I struggled with breakouts until I made this one change. So in this video, I'll basically walk you through my morning skincare routine to help keep like a clear skin and make me look good in the morning. So the first thing I start off with is with an ice cube. Literally just ice down my face, get rid of the puffiness on my face. Just do that for a while until both sides all around your face. Get rid of the puffiness. And then I'll go straight into washing my face with warm or cold water after I've iced down and just got rid of the puffiness. Straight into warm or cold water, get my face wet. And the first product that I would use is CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for dry skin. There's an oily version if you have oily skin, but this is the one I use for dry skin. Then once I massaged it in, I would leave it in for like 10 to 30 seconds for it just to take effect and actually go deep into my pores. Then after the time has ended, I would basically wash my face for like 30 seconds or 10 seconds just to get rid of the cleanser and everything and the dirt. And then I'll go straight into pat drying. You don't want to rub your face with a towel because that will cause irritation. So you want to pat dry your face just to reduce irritation. Go straight into the moisturizer. I usually use CeraVe again, moisturizing lotion for dry skin, just to moisturize my face, get rid of the dry skin. There is an oily version, but I'm not sure what it is. But you would have to check it out, but I use CeraVe for that. I just massage that in a circular motion. Just get that deep into my pores. And then the next thing I'll use after CeraVe moisturizing lotion is Cosrx Ultralight Invisible Sunscreen, SPS++. You can find it on Amazon, but then I would apply it the same way in a circular motion just to get it deep into my pores. So if you like these kind of videos, I'd highly recommend you hit that subscribe button.